The Irix 45mm lens from Dragonfly line is a great all-purpose lens with a portrait jam. The lens is designed to work on full frame and all smaller sensors, and the aperture is f1.4 to f22 consisting of 9 blades, which combined with the cine optics produce a very eye-pleasing bokeh. The lens features almost no distortion and a 50-degree angle, and a clever, reinforced, scratch-resistant design with special rubber seals makes it dust and waterproof, so even in extreme weather conditions, it won't be scared. Irix's full frame 45, thanks to the built-in process, is additional to controlling aperture from within. The camera records the data EXIF format and has a focus confirmation system, making shooting even easier. It is noteworthy that the Irix created the Dragonfly version with convenience in mind. Even in harsh conditions, it features a focusing lot and lightweight composite construction with an embossed rubber focusing ring that makes focusing significantly easier. The manufacturer is taking care of availability for most popular mounts. There are mounts for Nikon F, Canon EF, and Pentax-K. The Irix 45mm, like other photography lenses, was created for professionals, but due to its attractive price, it also finds appreciation from photography enthusiasts who would like to work with the highest quality equipment.